I'm in an older home doing some remodeling, and there's so many times I run into these flathead screws on the outlets, and they're a real pain to get out. Usually full of paint. You can dig that out the best you can, but they're still difficult, and they're so long. And you always want to get a screwdriver like this on there. And when you do, it's hard lining up. Not bad. Usually they slip out. See, when they're tight, this thing wants to slip off. See? I get tired of that. So what I would suggest using, this solves that problem. Get in there, a lot of pressure. Oh, even it slipped. If you have a whole house with the flathead screw, this will greatly assist. Here I've got a light switch, so it's going to be much easier because I'm standing. And let me give you a better demonstration of what I'm trying to get across here. You can use a manual screwdriver, but a lot of times the screws are real long, and if they're tight the whole way out, I don't have enough patience to wait that long. So I reach for the drill, but then I have a lot of issues with it slipping off and lining up. See, that's usually the issue that happens. It spins a little and then slips off, spins, slips. Anyway, that's the point. So you get one of these. It's a real slow driver with pretty high torque, and you don't run out of patience when you're using one of these. You get it lined up, push real hard. Wow, it slipped, but it stayed on. It missed the beat, but stayed on. That's pretty cool. I had let off some pressure because this machine's weak. Alright, so there you go. Now, if you had a newer one, it would work much better. This thing's pretty old, Black & Decker, good tool. However, it's weak. Try this one. So you turn it first since it's weak. Now that's typical length. But another thing I've run into with the older homes is the good old boys, if you only needed a screw this long, they'd put a 3-inch screw in. I have no clue why. And over time it gets dirty, a little bit of corrosion, some rust. You know, you almost got to cut it off, but if you're unscrewing it, it takes a good while to get all the way out. So that's where this tool really comes in handy. Look at this stuff. Good thing I'm redoing it. I wasn't even hooked up. And I'm talking about homes built in the 1900s to the 50s, even the 60s. You'll find this. Got flatheads on the switch. So that's a pretty old switch. But back in the day, I guess that's all they had. They just didn't make the slot deep enough for the boxes. I'd like to thank everyone for watching. Hope this has helped someone. And if you'd like to watch other home improvement videos, I'll provide a link